Jersey Backwoods, Episode 1. Howdy partners. Today, before this episode, we're going to be talking about the type of gear we need to use before we go out to the lake. So naturally, you're going to want to wear your camo. It's recommended that you have a hat that has a windburn blocker. Now, once you have that, you want to get set up with your rod and reel. So I'm just using a standard spinning reel, and today I'm going to be using the Sweet Beaver lure with the flavor of Dirty Sanchez. Now that we talked about our setup, next thing we're going to do is talk about the location that you want to fish at. So basically, you want to find somewhere with a lot of weeds and brush. Somewhere that you think there might be fleas, mosquitoes, or you might be in danger of getting a lot of ticks. So we're going to go right in, and we're just going to cast right out here. Now we're going to talk about some problems that may arise while fishing. Here, what we have is every angler's nightmare, getting snagged. So what you want to do if you ever get snagged and you can't get unsnagged is you make your line as tight as you can. You put your rod tip directly straight to the line, and you're just going to walk yourself back, and you got to snap that line right at the hook. Unfortunately, we didn't catch anything today, but as they always say, a bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. Thanks for watching this episode of New Jersey Backwoods.